Watch him steal our candy.
Say thank you. Okay. Put it in here. Oh, did you find your pencil case, Chevy?
Put it in your bucket. All right, Chevy, come over here. You want your candy? Hey. Hey. Do you want your candy?
Come here. You'll put it in your basket. There you go.
Come on, baby. Nope, nope. He keeps doing that. Just holding it. No. Come on.
Chevy, come here.
Chevy. You coming? Over this? Come on.
Go over there. She said, look, go over there. Don't get him yet. Don't get him yet. Don't get him.
Get it.
He's holding it after.
Come on, baby. No, you're not eating it right now. Not right now. Go up there. Get my mom. She's up here. She's in front of Mama.
Okay, we're ready.
I see that.
It's right there.
Go that way.
He's a pirate. Say thank you.
Chevy. Chevy, follow Jaden. Go that way. Say thanks. Thank you. Come on. Yeah. I probably got way more memory than you do. How much? What? Chevy. Oh, I'm just on him.
Chevy, come on.
Come on. Up there, go get her.
Go up there and get some candy. Go right there.
Follow Jaden. Go get Jaden.
Look at the monkey.
Chevy. Right here.
Come here. There you go.
Oh, yeah.